Hi guys, hope you're doing well in this course. This is Loai with you from aeschoolonline.com. Now you are welcome to this course and I am very excited to start building a full project with you. This is our first project. There are almost 12 projects in this course, if not more. And this one is about creating an animated poster. It's a poster that is animated. You will see these kind of animations all over the web. It could be a poster, it could be an ad, and it could be used as an introduction for a video. The most important here is not just to create the animations, is to learn how to create animation projects and what are the steps involved to get a project that is well organized and really easy to amend or easy to add more animations and more text or remove some if you want to. So I have here a simple 3-step method that I use myself that I will show you here. The first step here is to create the layout, meaning you will just lay out the text, the shapes and everything that you want to have in your posters. You will set the colors, the size of the characters, the size of the shapes if you want, and you are ready to animate. Of course, the next step will be to create the animations. But now you will create the animations by element, every element by itself. For example, I create for the coffee shop, always, and so on. Not taking care of the whole poster, just make sure that all the elements have their animations and the timing for each animation is pretty good. The last step is timing the layers. Now, of course, you don't want everything to pop just all together on the screen. What you want is to have a sequence here. This comes first, for example, the coffee shop, then always come, and in meantime, the circle is growing, and then you have meet you there at the end. So this is timing your layers and creating a sequence for your layers. So these are the most important steps in creating animations. So let's go ahead and start doing the layout or creating the layout. First of all, I will close this one, click outside, and I will create a new composition. I will call it, for example, layout. That's cool. 1280 by 720. This is our standard size, and duration 5 seconds will do. Okay, so I have a simple blank composition now. The first thing I want to do is to add the rectangle. I will click and drag the rectangle. Now remember the rectangle here, I want a white line. So actually what I can do is just to make it bigger. Yep, you position it so it comes outside. I need to change the colors. Let's change the colors to, dark brown, something like this. It would be nice for coffee. Cool. So we want to write the text now. I will click and write the font is Papyrus. I already work on it, and 63 is too small. Let's make it 123, something like this. Fine. Cool, that's okay. Let's put it down here. So this is fine with me. I will duplicate it, bring it down here, and change here to coffee, and then duplicate it again and change it to shop. Okay, now I take care of the layout. I will select the 3 of them, the first thing. Okay, let's make this one a bit more organized. Select the 3 of them, come to align them left. Let's see where we want going to put them. Okay, this is cool. Let me remove the snapping. Not bad, but the color we want it white first of all. Let's go and find the character, change the color to white for the 3 of them. Cool, we're done here. Fine. I will press alternate and zoom in here. So I want to write always here. I have the font set and so on, so I can duplicate this one, bring it here. It's too big. Let's make it, for example, only 96. Okay, something like this. I need to change the color. I will go back and pick the color from the background here. I will pick the color from here and change it. So I'll use the color picker. Okay, and make it brighter. That's cool. Take it up a bit or down. Yep. Okay, not bad. Nice color. Now I want to write always. So I will double click and write always. Fine. Let's go back to 100%. And then I need to do the meet you there because it's the same font. I will duplicate this one. I'll take it down and say meet you there. Meet you there. And this is big. Fine. What we will do is to reduce the font, for example, to 60. I'm saying a lot of time for example because you really can do what you want. Cool. Now I want to draw the circle. I will come to the circle tool, click in the middle here, Control and Shift and open the circle. Fine. We don't want any fill, so we'll remove the fill. And then we want the pixel, for example, to be 20. The color is white. We're okay with it. Now inside here we want to write a premium quality. So I'll take the text tool and write premium, and then Control Enter to exit. Click again, quality. Now these we want them to be uppercase, so choose both of them uppercase, and the font will be Times because it's like somehow respectable, you know, it shows you quality. Okay, this is done. No, we want to align them here, and then we want to select all of them. Wait, there are the stars. Let's put the stars. Star here, I click and open. Okay, that's not exactly the star we want, so we remove to the stroke to 2, for example. That's cool. We change the fill color. Let's pick it from let's pick it from the characters. You want to keep consistency and maybe make it a bit darker. That will do. Cool. Now I take care of the anchor point of the shape. Click on it, bring the anchor point just in the middle. I will use snapping, put on snapping, and then put it in the middle. Nice, cool. Okay, what else? I need to duplicate the star and take it down. That's very good. I will select all of them now, all these elements, come to align and align them center to the selection. Here you are, you're done. It's a very nice layout. You can now adjust it. Okay, now you can think about how I'm gonna animate it. Now, if you think how we want to animate it, we have to take care of the anchor points everywhere. We will do that in the next lecture. See you then.